Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. It's day number 10 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. I can't believe it's already day number 10. We've done so many projects and it was so much fun to see other people creating with that as well. So let me grab envelope number 10 and see what's inside. And envelope number 10 was designed by My Creative Life. So let's see what we're having this time. And let me just tuck it under. And it looks like we've got like a stamp set which has this explosion box, and it says wow, it's a surprise party time. So there is a lot of confetti and other things flying. So let's see what I can create with that, because so far I'm thinking another card or maybe fancy fold. So let me think about it and I will come back with all the bits and pieces I want to use in my project. All the elements are ready, so let me put this card together. This one is going to be a hexagonal pop-up card. I love making this type of cards and I've done quite a few on my channel already, but still I'm going to show you all the measurements. So you need 3 pieces to create your base. So this one, the long one, measures 11 by 2 inches, and we're going to score it at 3 inches, 5.5 and 8 inches. So it's 11 inches by 2, first score line at 3 inches, then 5.5 and 8. So this one is done. Let me put this one away, and we need another 2 pieces which are the same, and they measure 3 inches by 6.5, and we're going to score them at 2, 4 and 6 inches. So again, 3 inches by 6.5, and score lines are 2, 4 and 6 inches. I hope you can see everything. And then another piece which is exactly the same, which is 3 inches by 6.5, and another score lines which are the same, 2, 4 and 6 inches. So now I can put my scoreboard away, and it's time to burnish all those score lines and put the card together. So I hope you like this. I hope you're going to like this tutorial, because I like this card a lot, and it's a really nice idea to create something which you can fold flat and it will fit standard 6 by 6 envelope. And I really wanted to say thank you to everyone who watched my previous videos for that Papercraft Society Advent Calendar, for all your lovely comments, because there are so many of you who are saying that it's a fantastic idea to create those videos. So thank you so much for that. So this one as well, we need to burnish. And I really love reading all your comments. I have to catch up with replying to the comments, but I will do it. It's just weekends are so busy, especially with children and family life. Anyway, so now we need to join those two together. So you've got those small flaps and you need to apply some glue, or if you prefer double-sided tape, I'm using my glue. And some people were asking about this glue. Actually, it's a Polish brand, and it's a book binding glue, which is very good, and I really like it because it has that very small tip, which helps when you want to adhere small pieces. So another tap, and we're going to have that. Apologies, my voice is a bit off today. And this way we're going to have that hexagon base. So that's our base, and to finish the base I'm sorry, I think I need a drink of water or something. We need to put that piece. So what I do, you fold it in half. You know that we've got those 3 score lines, but we fold it in half, and we need to apply glue on those 2 sides. So I just pinch it together, apply the glue, and we're going to slide it inside of our card to glue it on the inside. So we're going to adhere them to those 2 pieces from the inside. So what I do, I usually lay it flat, and this way I'm sure that all the score lines and everything, my card is really nicely flat. Now, and next step is to decorate your card. So you can decorate the front only, you can decorate front and back. For the speed, I'm going to only decorate the front. So I've got mats and layers as well. Mats measuring 1 3/4 of an inch by 2 3/4. So let me, maybe I'm going to leave it on the side for you to see, and then I'm going to adhere that one last. So you can still maybe take a screenshot or write it down for yourself. So these are the mats. You can use 3 of them. If you want to decorate only the front, you can use cut 6, and you can decorate the back as well. So let me grab this one. And then for the layers, we need pieces which are measuring 1 1/2 inch by 2 1/2 inch. And this way we're going to have nice card. And then we're going to work on, so let me put this one on the side, you can still see it. So it's 1 1/2 by 2 1/2. And as you can see, once you've got everything cut, it's so easy. And I actually did the same style of a card yesterday for my magazine commission, and I really like it. You will probably see it in February. I think that's when they're going to release that magazine. But I still have to finish one sample, and I'm going to post it on Monday. So 1 1/2 by 2 1/2, and this part is ready. So now it's time to focus on this element. So for this element, you can create a square, round, oval, any shape you like, as long as you cover that part and you adhere glue only to this part, because when you stand it up, it will look like so. So I really like this fold. I think it's such a wonderful idea to create something which stands up so really nicely, and it gives you this wow effect, which I really like. And anyway, you probably know that I love fancy fold cards, and probably know the challenge I'm hosting together with other collaborators. And yes, we're going to do it in 2024 as well. So if you don't know our fancy fold craft challenge, I will try to add the link at the end of this video so you can check it out. Maybe you want to join us. Let me show you exactly what I'm using, what are the products. So I'm using, probably you recognize that paper and that metallic card, because I used it in my on Friday. I think that was day 8 when I create this card. So, and I'm using let me show you this paper discovery paper pad. I checked, it's not available any longer on Craft Stash, but that's what I'm using if you have it in your stash. And then I'm using Violet Studio metallic paper pad. Has different metallic colors, really nice. And I'm using those nesting dice from Craft Stash as well. A fantastic idea to have nesting dice, they are very handy. And for coloring, I'm using this tricolor brush markers. They are alcohol markers by Spectrum Noir, and I think they are fantastic. They are still on offer, I think 24 or 25 pounds, something like that. So, and I use those markers to decorate those that exploding box. I think it's such a fantastic stamp, and when I looked at it I thought, what am I going to do with that? I have another idea, which if I will have time I will do it, but because this weekend is so busy, I just thought I will do this very simple card for now. So I'm adding that gift, and as you can see I've got some foam pads underneath it already, for speed of course, because you know I had to show you all the measurements and score lines and everything, so I thought it's best to have that one prepared. And I cut out those because as you can see we've got a lot of different elements. We've got some sentiments, we've got those I was thinking about those stars and hearts as well, but I thought no, let's keep it clean and simple. Maybe it's not that simple, but I just love this card. I hope you will like it as well. So let me add those here and there. Do you like fussy cutting? Do you think you would be able to cut those little things? I enjoyed it, especially if you've got good scissors. I think it's not that difficult. So let me adhere it to my card. As I said, you need to apply glue only over here, so I'm going to place it down. Where is my butterfly, my weight, so I can see everything straight nicely. And that's how it's going to look like when you fold it flat. So applying glue. As well, always you can use double-sided tape if you prefer. It's all up to you. You can use foam pads if you want, but I'm happy with the glue and I really love that glue anyway. So this one is ready, and I'm thinking to add maybe those sentiments. Just don't want to cover this up, but let me do a dry run and see. Maybe I will do it this way. Yes, I'm not going to think too much. I'm just going for it. Wow. Oh, maybe not, because this one is covering it up. I'm going to bring this one forward a little bit. And surprise will be here on the right. Let me just make sure it's straight. And I think for now I'm happy with it. I'm not going to add any gems because I think this card is sparkly enough. So I hope you like this hexagonal pop-up card. When you stand it up it looks like this, and I think it has such a fantastic wow effect together with that gift. I think it's a really nice project to make. So this is day number 10 in my creative life box with those beautiful stamps. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know, what do you think about it? Have you made this card before? And as always, go over to Katarina and Mel to check out what they're doing. Mel said that she's going to do some project share after day number 13 or 14, so stay tuned to her channel and subscribe to both of them. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as well, so you're not going to miss any new videos I'm going to share in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.